welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title and from the excitement on my face, today I am very excited because today we are going to explore the street food of Jaipur. Wherever I go, I always try to eat the local authentic food because that's unique to every place, and I think the best way to do it is by having the street food. So we are going to go to all the hidden and the famous street food places here in this city, and I am going to take you guys along with me. So if you enjoy this video and you are a foodie like me, do not forget to hit that like button, and if you are watching me or my channel for the first time, a very warm welcome. Please subscribe to this channel so that I can come with more videos for you guys. And without further blabbering, as I am very hungry, let's get started with the video. Guys, we are in front of Auntie Ki Bakery. It's a famous bakery in Jaipur, and you can see the crowd outside. So many cars have stopped by and like so many bikes, and it is famous for burgers. We have ordered 2 burgers and we are sitting in the car waiting for it, and let's see when we get the food. I'm really excited to try this. It's a very small place but a very popular one. The food is here. As you can see, there are 2 burgers, some veg burger, and what is that? That is like some kulcha that they have given. Paneer kulcha, yes. So we are going to dig in, and it looks yummy. It has a big piece of cheese inside, as you can see. So I'm excited to try this. So guys, we have reached Radhe Shyam Paneer Tikka Wala. You can see the crowd. It is famous for its paneer tikka. I'm going to take a parcel because obviously it's not safe to eat there in that crowd during Corona. But it is in Raja Park, and there are a lot of stalls, as you can see, here, like ice cream, and it's a famous place like for street food. So but this is the most famous shop, and you should definitely come here. I have come back home and I have freshened up, rested for a while, and now I'm going to try the paneer that I have collected from that Raja Park shop that I showed you guys. So let's dig in, let's see how it is. And before I dig in, I'll show you guys, they have also given us some chutney, a green chutney, that is I think dhania and pudina chutney normal, and another chutney. And yeah, so all this is for only 90 rupees. So let's see how it is. This is really good. I'm not a paneer person, guys, but the moment I put it in my mouth, it's a burst of like flavors. Masala थोड़ा ठंडा हो गया है अभी, but masala है, and it has a lot of neembu in it. This is definitely worth the hype, and I can understand why the crowd has gone there so much. So if you are in Jaipur, do try this out. Another famous kulfi wala is from Shri Ramchand Kulfi Wala, which is also in Raja Park. A little distance walk, like at least 50 meters walk from that paneer wala. And yeah, we are going to try the kulfis here, which are very famous. So let's go. You can see the shop numbers 201 to 202. So you should definitely try the kulfis. So as you can see, we are inside this kulfi shop, and they have like so many different kinds of kulfis here, but now I am going to try my favorite type, which is the classic Kesar Pista kulfi, and the prices are also quite nominal. So let's try the Kesar Pista kulfi here. So guys, finally my kulfi is here, the Kesar Pista kulfi. This is the smaller size, which is for 35 rupees, and the bigger size they are not making now. They will only make it in summer, and that is for 70 rupees. And this looks delicious. So let's dig in. Really yummy. One of my favorite kulfis. This is not ideal for winter, but winter में ना ice cream and kulfi खाने का अलग ही मजा है. You should try this. So guys, you can see the crowd here. This is a very famous street food place. This is near Handloom, near SKG Jewellers, and there are so many And there are so many stalls which are selling so many different items. I'm going to cover a few stalls and I'll show you guys everything. First stop I'm having, that is Delhi 6 momos. And in Bhaiya ke paas bahut different types of momos are there. And Bhaiya, you want to tell what are the type of momos?
Hello everybody. 4 variants. First is Supreme, second is Marshmallow, and third is Shelwas, fourth Spicy Paneer.
So I have ordered 1 plate of steamed spicy paneer momos and let's see how it is. कितने का है?
80.
80.
Yes.
1 plate is 80 rupees. So let's have that.
So guys, you can see there are 6 big momos on this plate and it has come with some mayonnaise dip. So let's try this. The momos here are definitely big and spicy and it is really yummy. They do spread some pepper on the top, but it is not too much spicy, so I can have it easily. And if you are coming here, you should come early as it is completely sold out by 7 o'clock. And also there are different other types of momos like fried momos, so you can give that also a try.
So guys, next stop is this dhabeli shop and we are going to try the dhabeli here. That looks like a burger, like the Indian desi burger, so I'm excited to try that. Having this hot dog, it comes like this. It's like in one plate there will be like for only 30 rupees and it has a lot of fillings inside, as you can see, and it has a spicy chutney and a ketchup along with it. So let's take the first bite. It's sweet and tangy, lot of like salt inside, I can feel. Like all bite them. This is good and only for 30 rupees. और एक plate में 2 bite आता है. My friend has already taken one slice of it. And this is quite big. Guys, I had a lot of food there and I was quite full when I returned from it, but I still decided to pack something for my dinner and I have got some kurkure momos, which are actually deep fried momos. As you can see, these do not look like a normal regular momo, and these are veg deep fried momos or kurkure crunchy momos that I have got from there, and I'm going to have it now for dinner. And it, as you can see, in one plate they have given us 6 big pieces and the entire plate was for only 60 rupees. So let's dig in and let me give you the reviews. These are really yummy. These are better than the momos that I showed you over there. Not so healthy as these are like deep fried, but really yummy. So if you want to try something different and something literally a little unique and hatke, you should give this a try. Filhal, I'm going to enjoy my That's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today I had a lot of fun shooting and exploring the street food of Rajasthan, and honestly it was such a wonderful experience, like to be able to go out and try so many yummy food. And if you like the vlog, do not forget to comment down below, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.